Hi everyone, and welcome to February's month of Cooking with Celebrate. Now here in Ohio, it feels like we've had a blizzard already and we're only entering into our second month of the year. So it is Valentine's Day, probably going to be stuck indoors because of the snow. Coincidentally, it is also Heart Health Month. So what better way to cook a nice, loving meal for your sweet Valentine than by making a baked salmon patty full of heart-healthy nutrients such as omegas. Come join me. So after we add all of our ingredients to a bowl, now again, this is going to be a very simple recipe. We just add and go. We're going, now it gets kind of messy, so I like to wear gloves, but it's easiest to just mix everything together by hand. So you have your pre-cooked salmon. Now what I will tell you for the salmon is I use fresh salmon fillet. I bake it at 400 degrees in the oven, but I underbake it because remember, you're going to form these into patties and then put them back in the oven. So you don't want that salmon to dry out. So I put it in at 400, maybe 6-7 minutes, just where the outside is cooked, but the center is still a bit undercooked. And then mix that together, we'll form the patties. It goes back in the oven and gets cooked for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, so you could do mini salmon sliders if you wanted to, or you can just do a regular size patty. What I find to be easiest when I do this I do the same thing when I'm making crab cakes as well, is I use a measuring cup. So I usually use a 1/2 or a 1/4 measuring cup. I pat it into the measuring cup and then you kind of tap on the bottom to get them to come out so they're a bit more formed. You can also mix them in your hand. I just find this to be easier because then I know that they're all going to be the exact same size, so I can have exact measurements. Okay, so as you see, they form really beautiful patties that are very symmetric, which is my favorite. So you can either air fry or you can bake these. You would put them at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes in the air fryer. You'll want to flip them halfway through. In the oven, I bake them at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. I do not flip them in the oven. I like the bottom to be a little bit more golden because when you're serving it on a bun, I like that appearance when it comes out of the oven. So very simple, you'll just throw them on a baking sheet, you put them in the oven or the air fryer, and then I will show you what they look like when they are cooked. Okay, and here we have our baked salmon patties. Now with this being February and Heart Health Month, Valentine's Day and heart healthy recipe to make for you and your loved one. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for another episode of Cooking with Celebrate.